CMIN101 lecture. I've started the recording. I only have about 25 students in the class. The rest of you can listen to the recording. Anybody there? Please ask me a question. Raise your hand, or you can type your question in the chat box. Do you have a question for me? Is there a question? Do you have a question for me? Someone had asked me whether they were able to upload or how to upload their file on Dropbox. And you also asked me whether you were able to see the file. So here's all the files. So all these students, I'm so happy you've done it. And I think those students who don't submit it, I'm going to give them 0. Would that be a good idea? Or should maybe I should take out 10%? Yes, no, no, yes. All right, so if there's no questions, I'm going to move on. The next thing I wanted to do is to include your Scratch project. So here's my Scratch project. I'm going to access it. Now, in order to access Scratch, you go to scratch.mit.edu. And last week, I had helped 2 students to create a Scratch account. So basically, to join Scratch. Now, I'm not going to do that today unless you ask me. Anybody wants me to do that? Anyone? Yes, no, no, yes. Anybody there? Or am I just talking to myself?
Yes, we like you to start again.
Start with what?
Scratch project.
All right. What would you like me to do in the Scratch project?
Related to our topic, how are we supposed to start this thing? How are we expected to present this thing in Scratch?
Okay, that's a good question. Have you joined Scratch?
Yes.
Great. Have you finished the project?
No, I'm too late actually. I have read the PDF file that you gave us. So when it comes to this thing, I don't understand.
All right. So now what you'll need to do is you'll need to sign into your Scratch account. Have you created the Scratch account?
Yes.
All right. And have you started your Scratch project?
No.
Oh, now you have to do that. You have to start your Scratch project. Would you like me to help you?
Yes, I would like to.
All right. So would you mind sharing your username and password with me?
Username.
Yes, for your Scratch project.
No, I don't remember say.
All right, let me help you to remember. So I'm going to say sign in. And I'm going to say I need help. Give me your username or give me the email address you used to join Scratch.
I think it's for UC. I use my student number. I don't remember clearly.
All right. What's your email address at DUT?
Oh, sorry, sir, to interrupt you, but the thing is, I saw one of your YouTube videos which you posted on YouTube, so I didn't see it as a safe thing to do because everyone can view on on YouTube and see some other people's details. So if you don't mind, we can do this on your spare time. I can WhatsApp you so that we can deal with this.
No, I will do that now. I'll do that now, but then you change your password. After I finish, you change your password, okay?
Okay, no problem. But
Unless you
but the
want
thing
to,
is,
unless you want to WhatsApp me the password so that nobody sees it. Hello.
Okay. Yes, I'm still here.
All right. Give me your. Would you like me to help you with your project in Scratch?
No, I don't have a problem with Scratch. The thing is, I don't understand how is it related to the PDF. How are we supposed to do this thing? Because I've watched your example. I've seen how we're supposed to do, but I don't understand how is it related to. I don't remember whether it's ecosystem, something like that. I don't know how is it actually related to ecosystem. That's my problem. Actually, not Scratch. I don't have any problem with Scratch. The thing is, I don't understand how we're going to make the cats as you displayed in the YouTube. So I don't understand how are we going to operate that cat. How are we going to use?
All right. Now, Scratch is a programming language that uses icons, little pictures to display items on the on the screen. All right. So here's my little item out there. Can you see the little cat there? And can you see this picture of this green flag?
Yes, I can see.
You can see that. Great. Now, some of you may never have worked with programming in your life.
Yes.
And this is a nice, easy way of introducing programming concepts to students that are brand new to information technology, students that are brand new to programming, and students that are brand new to the concepts of variables, loops, and assignment statements, and if-then statements. Now, in Scratch, I need to have some project to work on. So generally, a programming student will be given a task by the teacher, like me, or they'll be given a task by from, let's say, a company that would like them to do something. So if you were in industry, they would ask you to please create an app to explain or to do something. For instance, let's say COVID-19 is taking place right now. They'd like you to have an app to ensure that you are able to capture the statistics of the number of infected people. Now that's a programming task. Okay, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I had to come up with some programming tasks to allow you the opportunity to play around with the Scratch environment. And right now, climate change is very important. It's our earth, it's our livelihood. And I'd like you